Introducing the Divoom Pixoo-16, the all-new pixel art display cloud frame. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, this is the most unique lighting decor for your home. Whether it's the desktop or living room, Pixoo-16 can always be a part of the decoration. Its companion app has a massive online gallery, and you can choose your favorite ones as display. You can also create and share your own with the pixel art community. With the Pixoo-16, you can unlock even more functions. If you're an influencer, it can help you to keep track of the channel performance. If you're into gaming, it can display your in-game ranks, KDA, and other stats. You can also set up your stock in cybercurrency, and the Pixoo-16 will automatically update their latest prices. Pixoo-16 is capable of many daily functions, and it also supports the REST API for you to create your own. So whether you're looking for a versatile, informative display or a lighting decor for the gaming setup, Pixoo-16 is the one for you.